Hi, welcome back to Learn English Grammar. Myself Priya Adhikari. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We are learning parts of speech. In last videos, we have learned three parts of speech, that is noun, pronoun and adjective. Now in this video, we are going to learn next parts of speech, verb and adverbs. If you are watching this video for the first time, you can watch previous videos through the link which is there in description. All these parts of speech are connected to one another. So you must watch all these videos so that you can get better idea. Now we are learning verbs and adverbs. The first part of today's video is verb. Now what is meant by verb? A verb is a word which shows an action. In other words, we can say that a verb is a part of sentence that tells us what the subject performs, or a verb gives a complete sense to a sentence. Now I give you some small words which shows an action. Means for example, go, come, swim, bring, etc. Now this concept we will learn through so many examples. I said earlier, let's learn verb through some examples. Now here is first example, Lata writes an essay. Now in this example, writes is a verb because it shows an action which Lata performs. So it is a verb. The boy plays the football. In this example, plays is a verb as it shows an action by the boy. Now see third example. The waiter serves food. In this example, serves is a verb. Again, it shows an action by the waiter. Now see fourth example. Raju works hard towards his goal. In this example, you can see that works is a verb. Why? Because it is also an action performed by Raju. So it is a verb. See now fifth example. Mother cooks food for the family. In this example, cooks is a verb as it shows an action performed by the mother. Now see next example. My sister helps me in my studies. In this example again you can see that helps is a verb as it shows an action by my sister. Now see next example. Rima got a new mobile phone. In this example, got is a verb as it shows an action. So it is a verb. Now see the next example. Cobbler mends shoes. You can see that in this example, mends is a verb as again it shows an action performed by a cobbler. Next example. Mala goes to morning walk. In this example, goes is a verb as it is also an action. See the next example. The cat sleeps on the rug. In this example also, sleeps is a verb as it shows an action performed by the cat. Now when you see all these examples, you have understood that all these are action words, or without these verbs there must not be a sentence, or there is no existence of sentence. I again tell you, see, my sister helps me in my studies. Suppose if there is no verb, then how can we read the sentence my sister me in my studies? Now we cannot understand what is the meaning, because if there is no verb, the sentence is meaningless, or there is no existence of sentence. Now I repeat the definition. The word which shows an action, or a verb, is a part of a sentence that tells us what the subject performs, or a verb is a complete sense of a sentence. Means for the existence of a sentence there should be a verb. Our next parts of speech is adverb. Now what is meant by adverb? A word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, a verb, or another adverb. In other words, we can say that a word which describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So let's see adverb with some examples. See the first example. Rekha speaks loudly. Now in this example, loudly is an adverb. How? Because when we ask question, how does Rekha speak? Then we get the answer loudly. Or in what manner she speaks? Then we get the answer loudly. So loudly is an adverb. Now see the next example. This is a very sweet mango. Now in this example, very is an adverb because it modifies adjective. In this example, sweet is an adjective and the word very describes sweet or in how much, so we get the answer very. So very is an adverb. Now see the next example. Govind reads quite clearly. In this example, quite is an adverb. Why? Because it modifies adverb. In this sentence, clearly is adverb and quite qualifies clearly. So quite is an adverb. Or it gives more information about adverb clearly. So quite is an adverb. See the fourth example. He swims well. Now in this example, well is an adverb as it qualifies or modifies the verb swims. So well is an adverb. Next example. Sham ran quickly. Now in this example, quickly is an adverb as it describes the verb ran. Means how did Sham run? We get the answer quickly. So quickly is an adverb. Now the next example. He ate the chocolate cake greedily. Now in this example, greedily is an adverb as when we ask the question, how did he eat the chocolate cake, we get the answer greedily. It means that in what manner he ate the chocolate, we get the answer greedily. So greedily is an adverb. Now see next example. Radha is very beautiful. Now in this example, very is an adverb as it describes an adjective beautiful. Means it gives more information about the adjective beautiful. Means how is Radha? She is very beautiful. So very is an adverb. Next example, I lost my pen yesterday. Now in this example, yesterday is an adverb as it gives information about when did I lose my pen. So it denotes time. It is an adverb. Now next, the child slept soundly. Now in this example, again it gives information about the verb sleep. Means when we ask the question, how did the child sleep, we get the answer soundly. So soundly is an adverb. Now see the next example. The boy works hard. Now in this example, hard is an adverb as it gives information about the verb work. Means when we ask the question, how does the boy work, we get the answer hard. So hard is an adverb. Next example, she arrived early for the meeting. Now in this example, early is an adverb as it gives information about the verb arrive. So early is an adverb. Now let's recall what is meant by verb and what is meant by adverb. So an action words are called verbs and the word which describe verb, adjective and another adverb are called as adverb. Is the concept clear? Hope you have understood this well. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get its notification when I upload next videos. Thank you.